Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion Mobile. First, download the Notion app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Notion account or create a brand new one in just a few moments. You'll find the mobile interface is designed for quick, intuitive navigation, allowing you to access your essential workspaces and pages with ease, right from your fingertips. It's a powerful tool for productivity on the go. Now, let's dive into creating and organizing your content. You can easily create new pages and populate them with a wide variety of content blocks, from simple text to images and even embedded files. Notion Mobile allows you to organize information efficiently using powerful databases and linked pages, ensuring everything is interconnected. Plus, you can leverage hundreds of pre-built templates to quickly set up common workflows and projects, saving you valuable time. Collaboration is seamless with Notion Mobile. You can effortlessly share any page with colleagues, friends, or family, and precisely control their access permissions, whether they can view, comment, or edit. Engage in direct communication by commenting on content and mentioning teammates to get their immediate attention. All your changes sync across every single one of your devices automatically and in real time, ensuring everyone is always working with the most up-to-date information. To truly master Notion Mobile, explore its advanced features. Personalize your workspace by adding unique icons, stylish covers, and custom page properties to make it truly yours. Utilize the Quick Capture feature to jot down ideas or tasks instantly, ensuring no thought is ever lost. Furthermore, you can access your essential content offline, allowing you to remain productive even when you don't have an internet connection, giving you complete flexibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.